Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily swap your face into any photo with AI. So make sure you watch this video carefully until the very end. So first of all, you need to launch your browser, and in the search bar you simply need to type this URL, which is photo.com/apps/swapper. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where the first thing that you need to do is to simply log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to select that particular image on which you want to swap the face. In order to select it, you will have to navigate to the right hand side and you simply need to click on this Upload Content tab. After that, you need to select your base image. Once done, you will have to wait for some time until it processes your image. Now, once the image is processed, it will create this type of square around it. So, in the second step, you will have to select that another image, the face of which you want to paste on the base image of yours. In order to select it, you will have to click on this plus icon and then you need to select your second image. Afterwards, you will have to click on this swap face now, and after waiting for some time, you will see that the face has been swapped successfully. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then please consider liking this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.